Creating videos in multiple languages has never been easier. In this episode, we'll show you how to use Colossyan's auto-translation to instantly localize your content. To use our translation feature, first you need to open the draft that you want to translate. Then, on the top right of the editor, you will find a language button. To translate your video, you need to firstly add a new translation, which you can choose from over 70+ languages. Once you have selected your language, Colossyan will translate your entire draft within 1 minute. Pretty impressive, right? You can add multiple language variants to one draft, which is what we will do in this case. When you are ready, simply hit the Generate button and select the language variants you want to generate. Once your videos have been generated, you can share or export them individually, or create a multilingual video. To do that, go to Library and navigate to the folder you have generated your videos. On the top right corner, click on the New Project. From there, select the multi-language video. Choose the versions you want to include and hit Combine. Wait a few seconds and they will appear on a single video player where viewers can easily switch between languages. You're ready to go global! Next up, Media and Screen Recorder for adding visuals, demos and walkthroughs.